The Bank of Ghana, in a letter dated 4th January 2019, approved a request from the directors of GN Bank and granted a savings and loans license, thus reclassified GN Bank to a savings and loans company. Consequently, the Bank of Ghana gave GN Bank a 6-month transitional period to move its operations from a universal bank to a fully fledged savings and loans company by June 30th, 2019. It is clear that GN Savings did precisely what it was asked to do by the Bank of Ghana in its letter dated 4th January 2019. GN Savings delivered a transition report to the Bank of Ghana in July 2019. That report provided an overview of the bank's transition to a savings and loans company. Management wrote in that report, in furtherance to meeting the conditions stipulated in the Bank of Ghana letter announcing the reclassification of GN Bank to a savings and loans company, the following documentation and processes were executed and submitted in fulfillment of BOG guidelines. Business/feasibility studies, winding down foreign exchange operations, public communication plan and rebranding, discontinuation of business lines directly affected by the reclassification, change in name and objects of the company, branch rationalization and downsizing, revised copies of policies and operational manuals, partnership with Ecobank to act as clearing bank on behalf of GN Savings. All of these were done at significant cost to the bank and shareholders. A review of the affidavit and written address submitted by the Bank of Ghana to the Human Rights Court, presided over by Justice Gifty Adjei-Addo, makes it very obvious that the central bank didn't rely on facts on the ground to revoke the license of this much-needed financial institution with a national footprint. Interestingly, Bank of Ghana's own Yab Sapong, the advisor it sent to GN Savings to observe the activities there, wrote in a confidential report as follows. The company seemed to be the only banking institution with national outreach in several remote communities of the country. The institution's 296 branches, which are more than GCB Bank's 166 branches and Consolidated Bank's 106 branches, are located in several rural communities. Some customers of the company continue to bank with the institution, with activity gradually picking up. Not surprisingly, it is the matter of non-payment of accounts receivable from government agencies that has become the main issue to be determined by the Human Rights Courts. If GN Savings had become such a national asset that was helping reduce the numbers of the unbanked in the remotest area of the country and had assets of significant value sitting with Government of Ghana and its agencies, why the hurry to collapse such an institution? Malicious intent, as argued by attorneys for Group-Ndom and others. The answer to this question rests with Justice Gifty Adjei-Addo.